Chase Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to introduce you to the EPC, a protocol for interoperability provided by the Cosmos ecosystem. And this is really important to be able to communicate from one blockchain to another seamlessly, easily, and without the need to create two accounts. So you can eventually all the smart DApp build over the Cosmos and use the EBC. We'll be able to back and forth communicate through a DApp and to many blockchain, and this is the futures of DApp, and to have integrated this protocol or other protocol that exists other that offer interoperability between two blockchain and be able to transfer value, NFTs, or whatever the type of use case they're going to be able to, and the futures with the technology of interoperability. But just before moving on, I want you to take a couple of action for this outstanding channel, and if you like this kind of content, smash the like thumbs up button, as well as press the bell notification bing to get notified from Monday through Friday every single day, as well spread the love about this great channel at the workplace, industry, at school. Thank you so much. If you take those actions, you have all my gratitude. So let's go back to EPC, but I just need to take some coffee before that. I'm going to introduce you the information providing through the Cosmos website about the ABC section. I'm going to read all the section, and I'm going to pass through the frequency hash question. I'm going to read all those sections. So I'm going to segment in two sections, the main that is EBC, the main page with all the information, and the fact that will be able to access directly if you want to just to have access to this information. So let's go jump to the main page of IBC with the information providing through the website of Cosmos Network. So basically, the EBC stands for the Industry Standard Protocol for Inter-Blockchain Communication. So basically, you'll be able to transact and change value or NFT or whatever the use case through many blockchains or through two blockchains. So I'm going to read that part. So this is a small introduction what this protocol provide, but if you want to learn more, you have the documentation where you can go through all the details about the EBC. Just this video is just a small introduction about the value behind the EBC offered by Cosmos ecosystem or blockchain. So the inter-blockchain communication IBC EBC is an end-to-end oriented, connection oriented, stateful protocol for reliable, ordered, and authenticated communication between often heterogeneous blockchain arrangement in an unknown and dynamic topology. The core protocol realizes this by specifying a set of data structure, abstractions, and semantics that can be implemented by any distributed ledger provided they satisfy a small set of requirements. IBC can be used to build a wide range of cross-chain applications, which include, that's the use case. This is really important part. I'm going to emphasize on this, and just to go into switch, just make sure you understand the use case, what you can do with the IBC. Token transfer, atomic swaps, multi-chain smart contract with or without mutually compressible VM, and data and code sharding of various kinds. So you can learn more in documentation. This is the new section, so I invite you to read on your own. IBC is developed by a diverse group of organizations. All the peoples that is included in the EBC development is Agoric Interchain Foundation. As you can see, you can click on this to access the website. Interchain Gap Age, Tendermine Incorporated, Informal System Inclusion. So join the community so you can chat with the developers directly on the Discord channel. Discord IBC on the forum with all the, if you have any idea or you have more deeper concern about specific use case or specific thing about IBC, go on the forum. And if you want to get updated directly into your email box, sign up for the newsletters. So now I'm going to jump into the section of the fact. I'm going to read the most interesting that cover IBC, because they have the IBC documentation that go deeper into the protocol. And the fact is very important, the frequency hash question. So what is IBC at high level? I'm going to read that part. So together we're going to learn at the same time. The interchain blockchain communication protocol is a reliable and secure inter-module communication protocol where multiple are deterministic processes that run on independent machines, including replicating state machines like blockchain or distributed ledger, and solo machine. It's composed with a wide range of blockchain, this is very important to know, that can vary in properties, consensus algorithm, programming language, and more. IBC can be used by any application which build on top of reliable and secure inter-module communication. Example, application include cross-chain asset, transfer, atomic swap, multi-chain smart contract, with or without manually compressed VM, and data and card sharding, and various kind. As you can see, the level of presentation or the ways presented information is very technical, very high level. So you can read multiple times to be able to comprehend the information provided into the fact section. So what is IBC not? I think this is important because every technology have some edge, but they have sometimes they cannot cover all use cases. I'm going to read that part. IBC is not an application layer protocol. It handles data transfer. It handles data transport, authentication, and reliability only. IBC is not an atomic swap protocol. Arbitrary cross-chain data transfer and computation is supported. IBC is not a token transfer protocol. Token transfer is a possible application layer use of the IBC protocol. IBC is not a sharding protocol. IBC is not a layer 2 scaling protocol like, Polygon over the Ethereum network as an example, or Binance Smart Chains. So why is IBC needed? This is really, really important. I'm going to read that part. The question, this is important to understand why we need IBC over the Cosmos hype around this Cosmos blockchain. Since the launch of the Bitcoin blockchain in 2009, hundreds of blockchains have been deployed, and they have many that you can see on CoinGecko, where a website where you can track every project that exists in the cryptosphere, and a website that I use often. However, without a proper messaging protocol, this blockchain are continuing to remain isolated from each other. Early interoperability solutions have tried to address some very specific use case, like atomic swap, but they remain limited, my friend, and are hard to generalize to various types of blockchain. I love that. So they try in the past, but they are limited with atomic swap, and they are to implement. Over time, the need for a standardized interoperability solution for blockchains has emerged. Not a solution tailored for a specific interoperability use case or for a specific set of blockchain, but a generic solutions application or a myriad of use cases and blockchain framework. So that's the foundations to be able to provide a framework for every project or blockchain to be able to communicate or implement into the smart contract. So this is exactly what IBC aims to achieve. As an analogy, just like TCP/IP is a messaging protocol to connect servers and computers with different hardware implementation, geographical allocation, and operating system, IBC intends to connect blockchains with different consensus algorithm and state machine. Likewise, TCP/IP is payload agnostic, meaning different applications can be built on top of HTTP, FTP, and so on. And so it's IBC for the blockchains space. Indeed, any cross-chain application can be built on top of IBC, such as cross-chain token transfer, multiple chain smart contract, or decentralizing oracles. The role of IBC is to take care of the messaging part, including data transport, authentication, and ordering. in order for developers to focus on building applications. So basically, they provide the framework to be able to build decentralized application, and everything will be possible to communicate through 1, 2, 3 blockchain integrated into the smart contract with many specific framework that provide a framework to be able to do that, and the developer will be able to focus to provide value with the app. How does IBC work? So I invite you to read that part yourself. What blockchains are compatible with IBC? I invite you to read that on your own. How do I integrate IBC into my blockchain? So you can I invite you to read that part too. How do I develop a cross-chain application on top of IBC? I invite you to read as well. So what is a layer? I invite you to read that part as well. And what is the difference between IBC and the IBC method? I invite you to read that part. So basically, just the 4 typical questions on the fact that provide a lot of information. What is IBC? What is IBC? What is IBC not? What is IBC needed? And how does IBC work? So those 4 questions, it's very important if you want to start your day to dig into. And if you want to go deeper, you can go see the documentation of all the technical jargon or all the protocols work at the technical level. I hope you really enjoy this type of content. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button with powerful and vibrant energy. Press the bell notification every single day. Bing, bing, bing. I release great content from Monday through Friday with great content of value, hopefully that you find interesting, that you can spread around as well. You can spread this content as well at your workplace, industry, at school if you enjoy. So you have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. So I'm going to close to drink some great coffee. Enjoy your day. See you on the next video, and I hope you find something valuable on this. Don't forget to smash the like button, and have a great day ahead, my friend. Bye bye.